Instead of merely levying more taxes on Kenyans, Kenya Kwanza must address the economy's many structural shortcomings. For instance, there's a reason why the Kenya Revenue Authority is unable to meet its revenue targets. Kenya Kwanza must figure out and address the problem. 3. The cash flow problem in the country is due in part to the weakening of the Kenyan currency. The weakness is not just vis-a-vis the US dollar. Our currency fell significantly against the Tanzania shilling by nearly 10% since last September. This suggests that domestic factors are causing part of the decline of the Kenyan shilling. Kenya Kwanza must get to the bottom of this problem and stabilize the shilling. 4. Kenya Kwanza must strengthen and not undermine critical institutions such as those tasked with fighting corruption, collecting revenue, and investigating and prosecuting crimes as it is presently doing. 5. Kenya Kwanza must incorporate all productive citizens into its nation-building projects. Currently, the regime has alienated a huge section of the population who sees themselves as outsiders and strangers in their own country. 6. Kenya Kwanza must rationalize public expenditure. It must live within its means instead of spending money it does not have on programs and projects in the country does not need. 7. Kenya Kwanza must address the public concern that even as taxes rise on everything and for everyone, there is no clear plan to spend new tax revenues on welfare programs for the poor. Instead, those taxes will only stoke inflation and hurt the purchasing power of the poor families. 8. We appeal to all Kenyans to participate actively in the process of validation and express themselves loudly and clearly that they cannot take any more burden. We equally encourage our people to lobby our elected leaders to stand with the people on this matter. Punda, amechoka. 9.